The first thing to become successful is you need to have a desire, right? You need to have a desire. What is your desire right now? Why are you here? Okay, I believe your desire is, right now, you want to move to a country, study, work, live. ආසාව. පුදුම ආසාවක් තියෙනවා ඒකට, right? ඒකනේ මෙතනට අවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. Okay. So, what you need to do is, when you have a strong desire, you need to, you need to think about it, right? About your desire, and you have to believe on your desire. So if you don't have a desire, you wouldn't have actually come to this conference today. You have to be very clear of that. So I believe you have that desire, so you are actually one step ahead of this game, right? You have proved that because you're here. And the second thing is, even though you have a desire, you need to have faith. If you don't have faith, it doesn't matter if you have a desire, right? So how do we develop faith? To develop faith, you need to get a lot of information. You need to knowledgeable as much as possible. That's why you are here, right? Again, you are one step ahead, another step ahead of the game. Because honestly speaking, there are so many inquiries that we are getting to our company. They want to study overseas. But you guys have shown the commitment. Thank you very much for that. So develop the faith. So keep practicing to stick to one thing, right? What most of the people do is they start something, they easily give up on things. But here, if you're planning to go to New Zealand, forget about it. You can't do that. You can't give up on things because it's not a smooth road, smooth pathway.